Today we're looking at ME1 acrylic-based vertical seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at APOC.com. Existing problems can be failed sealant at the lap seams and foot traffic damage. Let's look at a better way. Thoroughly clean the surface. Measure and lay out APOC Incredible Fleece Top tape along the vertical seam. Remove the release liner and apply the Incredible tape over the seam, splitting it equally on both sides. Cut to final length and use a hand roller to ensure proper adhesion. Using a chip brush, apply a layer of APOC 264 Flash and Seal to the top of the Incredible tape. Now your APOC ME1 acrylic-based vertical seam repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at APOC.com.